As a result of the possibility that the Federal Reserve of the United States may acquire control of XRP and the Ripple system over the next few days, there is a possibility that the political and economic landscape will undergo a significant transformation. One possible course of action would be to prevent the purchase of XRP at retail establishments and to replace the existing financial system with the technology developed by Ripple Labs. The rapidity with which Ripple has accomplished these recent actions, most notably their substantial buyback of XRP, is indicative of changes. Ripple Labs has begun a buyback of roughly 1 billion XRP from its existing supply, according to a report that was published just one day ago. The fact that Ripple has taken such a significant move reflects the company's commitment to strengthening and consolidating XRP's position. In the following video segment, I will present an estimate of the price at which the Federal Reserve of the United States may investigate the possibility of repurchasing XRP. These assertions are supported by substantial evidence, which substantiates the information that has been provided. Continue to check back with us as we go more into the particulars of this potentially game-changing development in the realms of global banking and cryptocurrency. A big thumbs up would be greatly appreciated before we get started. In order to become a member of our community, you must first click the like button, then subscribe, and then enable alerts. In order to potentially gain ownership of XRP, the Federal Reserve of the United States will collaborate closely with Ripple. Labs are rapidly becoming an essential factor in the development of the financial sector. A significant amount of attention has been paid to the news. This is seen by a lot of individuals as a clear indication that there will be a substantial change in the market. Particularly in light of the fact that Ripple's intensified efforts to buy back XRP are contributing to a reduction in the amount of XRP that is available on cryptocurrency exchanges. A number of analysts, including those from Blood and CPS, are of the opinion that this might be a strong indicator for a significant increase in the value of XRP. The Federal Reserve has previously indicated that it is interested in this area, and there have even been articles written about it. Hence, those individuals who have been paying careful attention to the events may not be surprised by this news. However, the recent announcement made by Ripple Labs, which is already approximately 24 hours old, regarding their intention to purchase over 1 billion XRP from the existing supply has further stoked conjecture regarding the possibility of a partnership between Ripple Labs and the Federal Reserve. The one from Google that is particularly noteworthy is the one that discusses the Federal Reserve's intention to deploy Ripple's XRP as a worldwide payment solution and involves a repurchase of Ripple. In the context of Ripple's bigger objective, the programmed mechanism by which the company intends to purchase back XRP. This appears to be an attempt to transfer XRP from ordinary investors to banks and institutional investors, with the goal of consolidating its value and utility in the hands of significant financial actors. Such actions by Ripple and the potential involvement of the Federal Reserve in changing the landscape for XRP, in addition to the close relationship between the Federal Reserve and Ripple Labs, which has been highlighted more and more, indicate a significant partnership and point towards a future in which XRP possesses the potential to be further integrated into the mainstream financial system. According to the headline of one article, the Federal Reserve collaborates with Ripple XRP for integration. There is a possibility that the value of XRP might reach as high as $10,000. My life took a dramatic turn as a result of this piece of news, which also introduced me to the exciting idea of the buyback. One of the most compelling hypotheses in the field of cryptography in the modern world with its propositions is an excellent fit for the circumstances that are currently taking place. The managing director of Val Hill Capital made a request to the Federal Reserve, urging them to take into consideration the possibility of repurchasing XRP for an extraordinary price of $35,000 per coin. It is even more audacious to advocate that governments should buy back the whole supply of XRP, which is the idea that underpins the Val Hill's acquisition. Vanley of Val Hill Capital claims that the price of each token is an incredible $337,500. And that this price is derived from individual investors at a predetermined price. The calculation for this number is accomplished by dividing the entire assets of XRP by the total wealth of the globe. The extreme valuing of supply is responsible for the price of this recording, which is $60 nonetheless. This reasoning shows that XRP has a prospective worth that is far higher than $35,000. As of this moment, the estimate is $50,000. XRP's potential is being increasingly recognized by the financial industry, which is a significant step forward and a signal of this growing recognition. Alright everyone, let's switch gears and chat about BNB, shall we please? This video is sponsor for today's video. If you are looking for an incredible staking chance that will allow you to make large payouts, you should check out this site. You should provide a percentage rate of $333 each year. The prices that they are offering, which include products from Binance, are extremely remarkable given the value that they are providing. Having criteria that are simple to adhere to, the creative person who creates documents in BNB DAO acts in accordance with the rules and is attentive to the surrounding environment to ensure that the encounter is risk-free. Because of this, you will be able to watch the updates as they occur in this particular segment of our documentaries. We are going to broadcast a video that provides a deeper understanding of this concept and how it impacts investors in XRP. A price range of $50,000 to $60,000 is projected to be available. There is a compelling argument presented by XRP, particularly considering that it is in agreement with reports derived from a number of trustworthy news sources. Forbes is a reliable business news site that is well known for the validity of the material it publishes. Once an article was published that suggested that XRP might potentially replace Bitcoin and reach a price of $50,942. Despite the fact that the article was removed off the internet almost immediately after it was published, it provoked a great deal of debate on the motives for its publication. This is especially true given that Microsoft's Bing has confirmed it. When it comes to Google's chatbot GPT, the fact that the sum for SE2 is 59 rather than a round number like $60,000 is among the most fascinating aspects of the situation. According to the assessments of a number of highly regarded specialists, it's not the end of the story there. On the other hand, these analysts are of the opinion that XRP has the ability to surpass Bitcoin in terms of value and even arrive at or above $660,000. In accordance with the findings of the research, the S&P is anticipated to be capable of facilitating approximately $1.2 quadrillion in the derivatives market. This implies that an XRP price of approximately $10,000 is necessary. Recently, Ripple became a member of the International Swaps and Derivatives Association, which was a strategic move that was made in order to support the massive volumes that are present in the derivatives market. JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, BlackRock, and other major players in the financial industry are among the companies that are working together on this project. It is possible that even these numbers are based on estimations and statistics that are considered to be cautious. It has been verified that over 19 central banks are purchasing XRP, which is evidence that its value has the potential to significantly increase. Discovering that central banks have purchased XRP for a total of 9.4 billion euros is a shocking development. However, this is just the beginning of what the globe has to offer. Due to the fact that approximately 30 countries are currently planning to establish their very own central banks. The fact that 19 of the 45 countries that were polled have already made investments in XRP, which is a form of virtual currency, suggests that the XRP ledger may be utilized in the future. Imagine the sheer number of transactions that take place all across the world. Every nation might be able to process more than $1.2 quadrillion worth of transactions every single month. With the help of the XRP ledger, the statistics are significantly higher than what we have frequently observed or talked about. Consequently, this may be extended to 20, 30, or even 45 countries, all of which are managed through the XRP ledger. This scenario is founded on facts, despite the fact that it appears to be highly implausible.